Okay, game na ako. Taas muna natin ito. Then ako na mo.
Nakastart ako yan.
Okay. Welcome muli po tayo. Welcome muli po tayo sa ating Senge for the night. Clad in white po, yan po ang Qatar Sublimation team. And of course, clad in black now, yan po ang Tiptoe Kicks. Makatunggal and Felipe. Nako, malano ha. Tingnan mo. Okay na, isa. Di kasama po sina Iwan Nation po sa laro, paalala lang po. Balik muli po tayo, Felipe and Makatunggal, pops up and Nakwa. Umali. Nice one kay Umali. Ma'am, sino sila? Co-control? Sino sila? Okay. Sabado 2-0. Felipe, towering Felipe. Intercepted by Brian Oy. Kick pass kay Umali. Ang Sabado, palpal. Nice block by Sabado. I love you Sabado, pati rin yung Linggo. Okay. Brian Oy. 5 seconds. Violation. 5 seconds violation. Padayaw now kay Mr. Gratil. Sabado, traveling violation called. Okay, Pusong Leon, binababa ang bola. The Captain Lionheart. Rojas, the Pusong Leon. Captain Lionheart. Barnoy, sumabay. Makatunggal. Umali, pops up. Pira pa Umali. Barnoy, pops up. Oh, good. Umali, straight away. Sabado, malakas. Gratil. Foul. Ingat po. Nice game. Okay. Iliang shooting for 2. The score is 2-0. Okay, gumagana pala yung score natin. Iliang, wala. Second shot ni Mr. Iliang. First quarter pa lang po tayo. Iliang, number 19. 8 minutes 35 remaining. Pops up. It's in. Nice one. 1-2. Laman po ang Tiptoe Kicks po ng isa. Okay, Mr. Pusong Leon. Creating the shots. Lost the ball. Again, Sabado. Binabantay. Binahabol. Nice one by Gratil, 2 points. 2-3, 8 minutes 14 remaining. Pusong Leon, binababa ang bola. Pusong Leon. Pira. Umali, let's Padayaw. Foul! Pushing foul called. Padayaw called for the foul. Umali number 10 shooting for 2. The score is 2-3 at 8 minutes 1 remaining. First quarter action. Umali, first shot. Kapos. Second shot, jumper straight din Umali. Second throw, Umali. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Umali. Sabado again, 3-all. 3-all tayo, 3-all. 7 minutes 56 remaining. Padayaw, pops up. Gratil, no good. Rebound battle, won by Iliang. Padayaw. Nakuha. Ipira, nakuha ni Padayaw. Foul. Number 15 called for the foul. Number 13 called for the foul.
First throw by Glenn Padayaw.
Padayaw, first shot, no good. Second shot, jumper's ready. Second throw, jumper's ready ni Glenn Padayaw. 3-all po tayo. Pops up, pasok. Basket made. Rojas, or Pusong Leon, binabantayan. Pusong nakasot, Pusong Leon, ginak muna. Pops up, Makatunggal, pasok ang bola kay Makatunggal. Big Mac, pasok ang bola. Mr. Gratil. Padayaw. Palpal, pero may foul. Foul number 23, called for the foul. Pops up, number 53. It's out. Second shot, number 53, jumper's ready. Felipe, second throw, jumper's ready. Serrano, ha? It's out. Makatunggal. 7 minutes remaining. 5-4. Laman po ng tip hook. Isang dalawa ng isa. Nice one by Pira. Padayaw! Sinubo ang bola ni Padayaw. Padayaw, 2 points. Sinubo lang ang bola ng ganun-ganun lang. May skagas yun. Rojas. Kick pass, Umali. Makatunggal, Big Mac, fadeaway shot. And traveling violation. Traveling violation call by referee. Traveling violation call. Traveling violation daw, sabi ng referee. Okay, balik-balik po sa puting bola. From Gratil to Sabado. Sabado, binabantayan. Sabado, driving strong. Malalim. Salamat sa kutsyon. Felipe, Padayaw, binabantayan. Ipira, Gratil, dumarive. Foul! Down. Again, Umali called for the foul. Tip to kicks, one of a penalty. Gratil. Sabado, Gratil. Kick pass, Sabado. Stripped away. Umali. 2 points, Umali. 9-6. Laman na po ng tatlo ang tip-to kicks. Padayaw, size up move. 2 points, Padayaw. 2 points. Brian Oy, driving strong. Wala. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Brian Oy, driving strong. Balik po sa puti ang bola. Gratil. Pops up. Wala. And white ball, black ball. Okay, 5 minutes mark already reached already. Change player po tayo. Okay, second batch is coming up now. Yan po, grupo ni Sampara Sakala. Si Bongbonga. Nandyan din si Perez. Si Ulep also. At si number 1. Kabila naman, si Rote nandyan na. Si Bagsit nandyan din. Si JP Kosoba nandyan din. At si Antonio. At si Carbonel nandyan din. Si Carbonel. Okay, Sampara Sakala, pinababa ang bola. 9-8 score po natin yun. Perez, pops up for 2. Pasok ang bola. Antonio for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Kime. That's number Kime. Isang para sa Kala. Pops up. Ulit. Wala. Rebound by Rote. Rote. Another tower po nila si Rote. Pumapasok din si Rote. Rote. Pops up now. Pagsit. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, 2 points. Carbonell, 2 points. 4 minutes 17 remaining. Para sa Kalat, Sam. Nakalusot. Hindi, ayaw niya. Ulit. Ulit. Kuno ang bola. Hindi. Si Bombonga pala. Bombonga. Perez, pops up. Wala. Rote, Rote. Kembe Rote. Rote. Ayaw. JP Rizobal. Bagsit. 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 2 points Bagsit. 2 points Bagsit. 11-12. Laman na po ang US ang Qatar Sublimation ng dalawa. Ng isa rather. Ulep. 2 points. Nice one by Ulep. 13-12. Balik muli po. Hindi nag-update. 13-12 na po ang score po natin yan. Para sa Kala, wala po 3 minutes remaining. Para sa Kala, Kime, 2 points. What a pass para sa Kala, Kime. Kime, pwede rin yan. Tawag The Worm. Yan. Parang Roadman. Bagsit. Bagsit. JP. JP, floater shot, 2 points JP. JP, 2 points. Bombonga. Ulep. Pops up, Bombonga. Wala. Isa pa, para kay Bombonga. Bombonga, palpal! Palpal! Rote. Baksit. JP! Wala. Blocking foul called. JP Rizobal, 0-0. Tito kicks go for a timeout. 6. Alporno, Tito, ito, Ayesha, Orig, saka Jana. Ano? Single lang yan, matatapos na. Ito. Ingat po, sir, idol. Idol. Oh, pinirapan mo ah. Okay, po. Turay niya, idol. Sir. Nakunya. Thank you po. Ito kayo. Nakunya. Thank you po. Ingat kayo ha. Ingat kayo. Okay. 2 minutes 14 remaining. ID1 sir. Ingat po kayo. ID1. Idol. Sir. Okay. Game. Rizobal shooting for 2. Numbers 00. Double O Gundam. Pasok. Ingat po sir. Baliway sa ingat. Rizobal, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, no good. Ulit, nakuha ang bola. Tablados, 15 tayo, 15 all. Bongbonga, 2 points. Okay, warding for bench decorum, tiptoe kicks. The score is 7-15-15. Laman po ng dalawa lang ang tiptoe kicks at 1 minute 46 remaining first quarter action. Okay, chinecheck lang po. Penalty situation, tiptoe kicks. Tiptoe kicks called for the penalty situation. Chris Carbonell, number 8, shooting for 2. A minute and 46 remaining. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. Carbonell, second throw, pops up. Pasok. 17-16, laman na isa ang tiptoe kicks. Sampar sa kala, binababa ang bola. Ulip. Pops up. Foul! Take 3.
Technical foul against number 0, David Segal.
Okay, take 3. Ha? Technical foul called on JP.
Technical shot by Kevin.
Ulip, technical free throw coming up. Pops up. Pasok.
Basket by Ulip.
Backlapping.
David Tayo. Atas sa basketball.
Okay, white ball.
37 seconds.
Carbonell. Nice swipe by Kime. Nice swipe by Kime. Rotate out of bounds. Tiptoe kicks ball. Balik po si tiptoe kicks ang bola. Para sa kala. Uli for 3. Wala. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan si Kime. Carbonell out to Mr. Bagsit. Pinababa ang bola ni Mr. Bagsit. Nice one, Rote. 2 point, no good, malakas. Rebound battle, palpal. Held ball situation. Tiptoe kicks ball. Bola po ng tiptoe kicks. Perez. Para sa kala. Double P combination. Para sa kala. Bombonga. Perez. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Antonio. JP Cristobal. Binababa ang bola. JP. Malakas ang pasa. 27 seconds remaining. Bombonga number 4. Tak. Sampara Sakala number 5. Pops number 3. Foul! Cylinder. May cylinder yan ang tawagin. Pag pumasok sa cylinder yan, violation na. Para sa Kala Sam, shooting for 3. 15 seconds remaining. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumper ready. Second shot para sa Kala.
Second throw, Sam para sa Kala.
Meron. Last shot para sa Kala.
Last throw by Sam.
Pops up. Okay. 2016 ang score po natin. 2016. Five seconds remaining. Ayun, bagsit. Triangulation. 2 seconds remaining. 2 seconds remaining. Bullet, binatong bola. Binatong ang bola. Kime, pops up. Wala na. First quarter ended. Standby po tayo sa second quarter. You've got to live and learn before you be dispersed. You've got to live and learn. Ah, yeah, we've gone from life when you see the time. Oh, parang nagdoon ko kanina. Ay, kapag pala yun. RD2, no, it's white ball. White ball. Nandiyan na rin si Mr. White ball daw, white ball. Papansin yung dalawa. Okay, Albis. Albis. Padayaw from Albis. Padayaw. No good. Rebound battle won by White Ball. Touch last by White, by Black. Out of bounds. Same ball. Gratil. Walang pinasaha. Malakas ang pasa. Again po, bola muli para TikTok Kicks. 26 ang score po natin. TikTok Kicks leading by 4 points. At 9 minutes 32 remaining. Second quarter action. Malang pasa. Balik muli po sa puting bola. Padayaw. Padayaw, pinasa kay Mr. Gratil. Gratil, number 94, to Padayaw. Padayaw game, pops up. Hindi. Pops up, fadeaway shot. Nice shot by Ilyang. Ilyang, nice shot. Ilyang, 28 na score po natin. Natividad. Rojas. Ramos. Rojas. Nakuha ng pick. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Ilyang to Albis. Gratil. 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 No foul. Natividad. 2 points. Nice. Nako, rebound. Labas, nilabas. Ramos. Natividad na ngayon, 2 points. 2 points natividad. 8 minutes remaining, second quarter action. Padayaw. Number 11, Padayaw. Padayaw. Padayaw, driving strong. Padayaw, floater shot, 2 points. Padayaw, 2 points. 20-20. RG2. Pops up, no good. Ilyang, 12 piece. Gratil. Binabantayan, Gratil. Gratil, zigzagging. Ilyang, what a new wild shot. No good. Ramos. Straight away. Gratil. Gratil. No good. Ramos. Good. Good ball. Straight away. RD2. No good. Rebound by Ilyang. 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 No good. 2 points. Rojas 2 points. Points, Gratil. Quick shot by Gratil, 2 points. Duran, number 2, Duran. Rojas, 5 minutes 59 remaining. Ramos, 2 points, Ramos. Ramos, 2 points. Hoy! Lifting violation. Sabi ng referee, lifting violation. The score now is 28-22. 28-22. Tip-toe kicks na lamang po ng 6. Mr. Rojas, Pusong Leon. Driving the ball. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Patayaw. Gratil. Foul. RD2 called for the foul. Gratil, number 94, shooting for 2. Pops up, no good. Pops up. Second shot. Yes, sir. 2 points again. Rojas. Rojas. No good. Rojas, wala pa rin. Big back. Rojas, easy shot. Malakas. Patayaw. Gratil. Gratil, 2 points Gratil. And 5 minutes already. Okay, 5 minutes. Walang time po yan. Change play na po yan. Balik muli po tayo, Nice Perez and Company versus Sabado and Company. Number 10, Umali, pops up for 3. Tapos, walang pinasampa. Hindi nakanda si Pira. Pops up, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 14. Umali. Umali number 10. Tira. Bombonga. Oy, traveling violation. Bombonga ko for the travel. 4 minutes 18 remaining. 28-26 ang score po natin. Tama. 28-26 score po natin. Bagsit sa Sabado to Bagsit again. For 3. No good. Rebound number 14. Pira. Umali again. Umali again Sabado. Umali. Perez. Number 4. Pops up. Bumbonga. Wala. JB Cristobal. Carbonell. Sabado. JP. Sinubong bola. Tabla. 12-8 all. Deadlock po tayo. Bumbonga. Brian Louis, sorry. Walang pinasama na kasapasa. Time out ko by Qatar Sublimation. Okay, para lumamang, sila nag-time out muna. 3 minutes 20 remaining sa ating second quarter action. 28 all po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. Sabihin ko na lang sa inyo, ayoko na magsalita kasi. Ito na lang po yan. Sign it po tayo. Sign it na lang. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Nasa ng bola. Okay, Brian Oy palang bola. Brian Oy to Umali. Umali, binababa ang bola ni Umali. Umali, binababa ang bola. Again, Brian Oy for 3. Ayaw. Bumbonga. Tapos. JP, binababa. Carbonell. 2 points Carbonell. Pinagapang ang bola sa ring. By Carbonell. Pira. Brian Oy. Pira, Brian Oy. Bumbonga. 2 points. 30 all po tayo. 30 all. 2 minutes 38 remaining. Nice one. Palpal. JP. Brian Oy. Sumabit si Bagsit. JB Bagsit called for the foul. Perez, number 18, shooting for 2 for the bonus free throw. The score right now is 30-30. Lamang po ng dalawa ang Team Tokens. Perez, number 18, pops up. Wala. 2 minutes 11 remaining. 2 minutes 10 remaining. 32-30. Rote to Sabado. Sabado binababa ang bola. Sabado. Nice! Interception by Umali. Umali. Brian Oy. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. Foul. Foul nga sabi. Foul. Boost foul rep. Perez is the foul rep. Okay. Perez called for a foul. Rote humingi ng bola. Cristobal again. Nice one. Pasok ang bola ka. Carbonell 2 points from Sabado. Pira. Bumbonga. Perez. Palpal. Sabado. Malakas. Carbonell. Brand new 2 points. Sabado. Take 2. Foul on jersey number 11, Brian Oy. Number 32 seconds remaining on the second quarter. 32 seconds remaining para second quarter action. 32 seconds remaining. Pasensya na po, nagkaroon po tayo ng konting technical difficulty at tayo nagpapasala po sa your own consideration. Balik muli po tayo sa, we're now on the third quarter action already po. 42-38 po, lamang po ang TikTok Geeks po ng 4. 5 minutes 42 remaining sa ating naglarong ito. Ulit, no good. Rote, naka-rebound. Gratil, bumalik po sa laro. Baksit, padayaw, naku po, traveling violation. Okay, Ahmad Kata Omar's watching, Metro Gab Kalani's watching. 42-38 po ang score po natin yun. Laman po ng 4 lang ang TikTok Kicks. Bernardo Espinosa is watching. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya na po ha. Medyo naman po tayong konting technical difficulties po. Makatunggal. 2 points Makatunggal. Pasensya na po sa ating mga masukin na nanonood po. Kami po yung naka-explain po ng konting technical difficulties lang po. Maraming salamat po sa iyong pagpasensya po. Thank you very much. Pops up, no good. Rojas sa rebound. Big Mac, fade away shot. Foul! Rojas now taking now the helm now as a leader ng TikTok Kicks. Big Mac now shooting for 2. First Big Mac, hindi pumasok. Second throw ni Big Mac. Jumpers ready po tayo. Big Mac, second throw, pops up. Pasok. 45-38. Laman po ng 7. Laman po ng 7. 4 minutes 33 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Maraming salamat po sa manonood po right now. Thank you very much po. Padayaw. Rote, napadayaw. Padayaw to Rote again. Rote, 2 points. And 1 play foul. 45-40. 4 minutes 16 remaining. 4 minutes 16 remaining. Rote. Makatunggal. Cover pa. Rote. Nakuha ni Makatunggal na rebound. Pinitas na ang bola. Rojas against Gratil. Jaymar, Makatunggal. Pops up. Kime, umali. No good. Makatunggal. Salas, 2 points. Salas, 2 points and time out. Qatar Sublimation, hindi po nila nagugustuhan ang nangyari po ngayon. Still, 47-40, 3 minutes 52 remaining. Eugene is watching, Lim Bukatot is watching, David Abadiloret is watching, and many more. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes 52 remaining already sa ating third quarter action. 47-40 po ang score po natin ngayon. 3 minutes 52 remaining. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumunod po dito sa aming live na to. Thank you very much po sa inyo. Again po si Mr. Sabado. Sabado driving, pops up, wala. Okay, kinuha niya tira niya. 47-42, 3 minutes 39 remaining. Pops up, no good. Mali, shot, no good. Again to Sabado. Sabado, wala. Umali, 2 points. 2 points Umali. Rote, number 10. Sabado, number 94. Gratil, sorry, number 94. Nakuha ng pick. Gratil, pops up, simple shot. Wala. Rebound, Rote. Rote. Pops up, bang! Wala. Sabado, palpal. Nice D by Umali. Sabado. Cristobal. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Punel to Rote again. Fresh 14. Malakas. Rebound na for Brian Uy. Water shot. Sabado. Sabado. Zigzagging sway. Sabado. Ayun! What a pass! What a play! Gratil! 49-44. Laman na 5. Umali. J-Mac. Big Mac. Rojas. Tip-toe kicks. No good. Ranoy. JP. Gratil. Gratil. Gratil! Foul. Sales called for the foul. Substitution muna po tayo. Sales out muna rin. Big Mac out muna rin. Papasok po si Pira at saka si Bongbonga. A minute and 54 remaining. Pasok. 49-45. Gratil 94. Second shot, Gratil. Gratil pops up. Pasok! 46-41. Sales. Warnoy. Sales. Wala. Rebound by Felipe. Gratil. Gratil. Sales ang rebound. Branoy. Umali. Pops up. No good. Intercepted almost. Nice D. Nice D. Okay, substitution muli din po. Okay. Carbonell, labas muna para kay number 13. Pops up. Malakas. Antonio. Pops up. Wala. Gratil! 2 points Gratil! 2 points Gratil! Sales! Sales! Bongbonga! Stepping on the line! Para saldahan siya. Para saldahan niya. Gratil, 29 seconds remaining. 26 seconds remaining. Gratil, number 94. 20 seconds. Malakas. Walang pinanggo. Butterfingers. 12 seconds remaining. And one play pa. $49.50. Lamang na muli po ang QSSW ng isa. 6 seconds remaining. Branoy, third personal foul. Sabado, bonus free throw. Bonus free throw by Sabado. Sabado, bonus free throw. 32 seconds. 6 seconds. Nice one. Sana. Umali. Sayang. That's it. After 3 quarters po, lamang muli po ng isa ang Qatar Sublimation over Tiptoe Kicks. Okay, a word from our sponsors. This is your second year po ng PSB Basketball League featuring the following teams. Ito po yung McDonald's kita, MC Cargo. Of course, nandiyan din po ang Gianna, Luxury Shanty, Gianna Sigumay at Winners Apparel. Nandiyan din po ang JPEX TV, Hook Up Qatar. Of course, nandiyan po si HB Kicks. Nandiyan din po ang Mr. Uchicho Buduque, Sinag Digital Media. And last but not least, nandiyan po si Mr. I1 Nation. Mag-standby po tayo po sa fourth quarter action. Pito pala. Okay, final quarter coming up. Final 10 minutes po. 49-15 score po ngayon. Qatar Sublimation leading by 1 over Tiptoe Kicks. Okay, Qatar Sublimation ball. Casas for the inbound. Casas for Gratil rather for the inbound. Gratil for the inbound. Nandiyan si Albis din. Albis, pinasa ni Gratil. Galing kay Albis. Albis. Antonio. Felipe. Gratil. 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 Albis. Antonio. No good. Out of bounds. 9 minutes 40 remaining. 49-50. Sam. Barnoy. Wala. Rebound by Albis. 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 Padayaw. Gratil for 3. No good. Sam. Sam para sa kala 2 points. Sam para sa kala 2 points. Alabis against Sam. Antonio. Padayaw. Stripped away. Big Mac. Big Mac. 2 points, Big Mac. Big Mac, 2 points. Albis, 53-50. Again, Albis naman. Ayun! Uy! Good ball, good ball. Sumabit lang, hindi sinasadya. Okay, 53-52. Lamang muli po ang Tiptoe Kicks ang dalang isa. Rain Ray Mellerin, flexing muscles. Wala. Riba, may patayaw. Gratil. Antonio. 53-54. Laman na po na case. Sabi ko ng isa. 8 minutes 7 seconds remaining. Nice D kay Felipe. Antoy out, Bagsit in. Brian Noy for the inbound. Basta init lang yata. Rojas, fadeaway shot, pasok! Pusong Leon, pumasok, pinasok to Pusong Leon. Ray Medina, clapping hands, 4 na clapping hands ang binibigay niya. Gratil for 3. Wala. Isa pang beses. Gratil. Patayaw. Wala. Saan para sa kala. Wala. Nice D by Alvis. Gratil. Padayaw. Maluwag. Padayaw. Malakas. Branoy. Again, Melvis. Two points. Patayaw. We're having now a seesaw battle now between Tito Kicks and QSSW. 6 minutes 48 remaining. 55-56. Rojas. Nice one by Branoy. Break it. Hindi na shoot ang shot ay balo ni Branoy. Alvis. Calling the shots. Alvis. Gratil. Baksit. Malalim. Malakas. Nilabas. Wala. Padayaw. No good. Gigil. Ulit for 3. Ayaw. Ulit. Floater shot. Wala pa rin. Bagsi 2 points. And time out call by Tito Kicks. Grabe. Christopher Gagari is watching. Roy Garan is watching. Giancarlo Dimocana is watching. Odi Santos is watching. Ruel Munar is watching. Jay Romero is watching. Ian Sunig is watching. Rain Melan is watching. And many more. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now a ball game in our hands. 5 minutes 48 remaining. 55-48. Laman po ang QSSW ng 3. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo mga boss. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Ito na rin. Rojas. Ulep. Thinking 3. Against Gratil. Sales. Ulep. Sales. Bang! Parang plastic man, Sales. Shoutout po kay John Ray Wick, dancer ng Batang Ilonggo. Sabi ni Gabriel JC. Gratil. Mali. Ayun. Rote. Traveling violation lang. Yun lang. Giancarlo Dimocana is watching. Seto Gin Reels watching. 4 minutes 57 remaining. 4 minutes 59 remaining. 4 minutes 52 remaining. Ulit. Sales. Fadeaway shot. Ayaw. Rojas. Pops up. Bang! Rojas. Ha ha ha. Parang hanggang nood na lang tayo. Ha ha ha. Sabi niya. Ang score po, sir. Mr. Ashraf. Ashraf, 59-58. Laman po ang tip-top kicks. Padayaw! 2 point and 1 play pa! Kita nyo yun? Padayaw, 2 points, plus bonus free throw. Fresh is watching. Nihat Salil is watching. Everybody's watching na this ball game. 4 minutes 20 remaining. Laman po ang TikTok kicks po. No, rather, KSW po ng isa. Ngayon, dalawa na. 59-61. 2-point lead na by QSSW. Oh, may galing na lahat. Oh, salamat po, Madam Chiawa Nation. Lost the ball. Big Mac, one more time. Big Mac, foul! Ashraf, Glenn, Padayaw, flexing muscles already. Makatunggal, shooting for 2. Chance to tie the ball game at 4 minutes 1 remaining. Sacking for quarter action. First shot, pasok. Second throw ni Big Mac, coming up. Big Mac, second throw coming up. Big Mac, second throw, pops up. Wala! 60-61. Ito na naman. 3 minutes 57 remaining. 60-61. Bagsit. Padayaw nakalusot. Albis. For 3. Nope. 4 shot selection by Albis. Sales. Bang! Salamat sa kutsyon. Substitution muna, Albis. Labas muna si Albis. Ulit. For 3. Wala. Sales, 2 points. Sales trailing behind. Nice shot by Sales. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagla-like po ngayon. Mga likers, thank you very much po. Gratil. Bagsit. Intercepted. Wala na. Out of bounds. 3 minutes 9 remaining. 3 minutes 9 remaining. 62-61. Laman po ng KSW na ngayon. Out from a shot kay Sales. Gratil for 3. Foul! Okay, chance again to take back the lead. Take 3. Gratil shooting for 3. It's in. Tabla. 2 more shots for Gratil. Second throw by Gratil. Pops up. It's in. 1 more shot by Gratil. Last free throw by Gratil. Is out. Rebound by Rote. Gratil. Gratil! Bang! Nice shot by Gratil. Nice shot by Gratil. 1 for delay the game. 2 minutes remaining. 62-65. Pusong Leon, binababa ang bola. Pusong Leon, lost the ball. Sabado, 2 points. Kawawa naman yung kutsyon natin, grabe, binubugbog. Foul, jersey number 11. Okay, 2 shots not given. 13 foul pa lang. 60-67 naman po ng 5. Sampara sa kalam. Rojas. What a Sales! Sales telegraphing that play and making that play. 2 minutes 25 remaining. Padayaw. Sabado. Gratil. Bagsip. Thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Padayaw muna. Padayaw. Driving. Pops up. Bagsip for 3. Kapos. Sabado. Nice. Foul sana. Pero still, Sabado will go to the line. Okay. Sales. Sales called for the foul. Sales for personal foul. Warning for graduate. 13 foul Sales. Ay, 13 foul. 13 foul tip to kick. Sabado shooting for 2. Sabado first shot. Pasok. Sabado second throw. Sabado second throw. Sabado. Pasok. Again. Lamang buli po ng 5. Last 2 minutes. Makatunggan. Foul. Rote Coke for the foul. Big Mac shooting for 2. Salamat po sa mga likers po natin sa gabing ito. Thank you very much po sa inyo. At pasensya na po kanina po sa ating technical difficulty. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Big Mac. Last throw. Pops up. Wala. Rote. Ayun. Sabado. Sabado 2 points. Ay! Sabado 2 points. Malakas! Timeout, Tito Kicks. Magaling na nakabawi sila. Kung nakabawi. Binaon nila yung yung dating pagkatao nila, yung ginawa sa hindi pamintuan. Grabe rin yung gabing yun. Yung pamintuan. Si Pamintuan nagpanalo. Ang ganda laban nila. Dito, kalaban nila to. Okay, tip-toe kicks. Black ball, black ball. 1 minute 29 remaining. Lamang po ng 7. If tip-toe kicks want to win this, have to do something fast. Roas, para sa kala, para sa kala. Para sa kala. Para sa kala, pops up. No good. Rebound. Nawala ang bola. Para sa kala ko yung bola. Para sa kala. Ule for 3. Bang! Okay, ito na. Apat. Amang ng apat. Apat lang yan. Sabi nila, apat lang yan. 8 seconds violation. Ouch. Black Dimanang is watching also. Thank you po, madam. Ian Signus is watching. Sunig is watching. Adrian Belgado is watching. And many more. Black Dimanang, good luck teams. Ulit. Pops up, ayaw. Isa pa daw. Ulit. Thinking 3. Set up. Ayun! Ah! Rote. Foul. A heartbreaking miss by Mr. Makatunggal. Maybe sa pagod na rin. Napagod si Makatunggal din. Pagod yan sa tip-toe kicks, one of a penalty. Gratel also. USSW also called for a timeout. What a game! What a game! What a game! What a game! Grabe! Sir, bahay na may sino pa lamang, madam. Lamang po ang QSSW ng 4, 67-71. 42 seconds remaining sa ating larong ito. Sayang, heartbreak mission. Balik muli po tayo, Padayo for the inbound. Both teams, one of penalty. Padayo and Sales. Padayo versus Sales. Gratil against Pusong Leon. Gratil, Pusong Leon. Nako ng pick. Gratil. 2 points, Gratil. Tip-toe kicks called for a timeout. Sir. Di ba siyukap? Buong Qatar ba? Buong Qatar? Buong Qatar? Ba't naka-tribal ka? Ganda rin yan. Baka yung isang ganyan. Nakita ko yun eh. Parang sa kapitbahay nyo rin halos. Baka ano sir, yung ganyan. Mahal na, no? Tribal outfit. Tribal ba yun? Okay, balik-ulit po tayo. 33 seconds remaining. 67-70. Alin naman po ng anim ang QSSW. Pusong Leon for the inbound. Pusong Leon. Pusong Leon. Pusong Leon pops up. Wala. Padayaw. Foul. Sayang ang gandang play. Sayang pagkakadesign ng play niya. Maganda sana pero di lang na-shoot. Padayaw shooting for 2. 27 seconds remaining na lang po of the fourth quarter action. Pops up. Wala. Paano na ako nakapag-sit-up siya kung tutusin eh. Pag isasalita ako eh. Paano nagsisit-up siya rin eh. Paano nakapag-sit-up siya rin no? Sasalita ako. Pa tayo, Pops, pasok! Again, Pusong Leon. Pusong Leon. Pusong Leon. Uli for 3. No good. Sales. 2 point Sales. 80 seconds remaining. Bagsit against Sales. Hoy! White ball, sabi. Wait, overruled. Wait. Okay, call overruled, black ball. Call overruled, black ball. 60 seconds remaining. 60 seconds remaining. Nice hustle by Rojas. Rojas for the inbound. Rojas calling the shots. Nagkataman. Aray. Okay, sub muna, Ulip. Mukhang pinilikat yata si Ulip. Nga, dito. Okay, balik tayo. Rojas, for the inbound. 16 seconds remaining. Laman na 5. Rojas. Rojas for 3. Quick 3. Pops up Rojas. Kapos! Okay, that's it, I believe so. Foul. Okay, that's it. I think looks like this win now will be taken up by QSSW. 6 seconds remaining na lang at 69-64. 6 seconds remaining. Bagsit number 7 shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala nga. Sabi, wala. 6 seconds remaining. JB Bagsit, second throw. Jumps up. It's out. Silence again. Okay, that's it. Silence, 3 points. Pwede pa yan. Okay, that's it. Final score, 72-74. Laman po, Qatar Sublimation winning by 2 points. Before we go, we'd like to thank following sponsors. Ito po yan, PSBQ now in second league. Second year, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Janus Gumito, Janus Basketball Team. Of course, nandito po ang Luxury Bay Shanty, Winnox Apparel, Hookup Apparel, HB Cakes, JPX TV, last but not least, Cyber Service Kiso Padukwe, Iwan Nation at si Sinag Digital Media. With it, maraming salamat po. Again po, ito po ang PSBQ. Again, be back again for another next week of more basketball action sa 20th Season International Tour in Doha. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat.